Presenting a pre-owned 2001 Lexus RX 300. 2001 Lexus RX 300, timeless luxury, unmatched comfort. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and a transmission. This Lexus has less than 252,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Behold the 2001 Lexus RX 300, a luxurious classic that stood the test of time. Powered by a smooth 3.0 V6 DOHC engine, it delivers refined performance wrapped in a white gold crystal exterior with an elegant ivory leather interior. Factory features include heated leather seats, premium sound, automatic climate control, and a sunroof for open-air drives. With excellent overall condition and a clean CARFAX, this gem offers reliability and sophistication. Why settle for average when you can enjoy timeless luxury? Upgrade your drive with the RX 300, where comfort meets class. Key features include power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.